Which countries adopted protections similar to the US Bill of Rights? Imagine living in a country where your basic freedoms are protected by law, just like in the United States. Many nations have looked to the US Bill of Rights when creating their own laws to safeguard individual rights. The US Bill of Rights, which includes the first 10 amendments to the US Constitution, was created to protect freedoms like speech, religion, and assembly. These rights are essential for a free society. Other countries have adopted similar protections through their own constitutions or laws. For example, Canada's Charter of Rights and Freedoms, enacted in 1982, guarantees freedom of expression, religion, and peaceful assembly. It was inspired by the US Bill of Rights and aims to protect Canadians' fundamental rights. Australia, although it does not have a single Bill of Rights, includes protections for individual freedoms in its constitution and state laws. These laws ensure that Australians can speak freely, practice their religion, and gather peacefully. South Africa's constitution features a Bill of Rights that guarantees many of the same freedoms. It protects the rights to freedom of speech, religion, and peaceful assembly. South Africa's Bill of Rights was influenced by international human rights standards and aims to prevent abuses of power. Many countries also follow international treaties that set global standards for human rights. The International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, signed by over 190 countries, establishes rights similar to those in the US Bill of Rights. Countries that ratify this treaty agree to protect freedoms like speech, religion, and the right to gather. These protections are not just on paper. They are used in courts and legal systems worldwide to defend individuals' rights. Knowing about these protections helps people understand how their governments are limited and how they can stand up for their freedoms. While the US Bill of Rights is unique to the United States, its ideas have shaped many other nations' laws. Countries around the world have adopted similar protections to ensure that individuals can enjoy their basic rights without fear of government interference. Understanding these protections helps us see how fundamental freedoms are valued globally and why they matter for everyone.